Welcome back to my channel Astro Devanvita, and today I came with a new video in Vedic astrology, and this video is all about Jupiter direct and its effect, which is going to happen from February of 4th onwards, and what are the most important rashis which would get affected and their effects when Jupiter will turn direct. So before starting with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon. Thank you. So Jupiter has gone retrograde on 9th of October, of 2024 in Vrish Rashi or in the Taurus sign in the zodiac chakra. नाउ जुपिटर दिस टाइम इस टाइम पर जुपिटर जो रेट्रोग्रेड था वो 113 डेज तक रेट्रोग्रेड था जनरली, और जनरली जुपिटर जो प्लैनेट होता है वो 120 डेज रेट्रोग्रेड होता है, लेकिन ये प्लैनेट इस बार 113 डेज रेट्रोग्रेड था. तो February 4, 2025 में 1 PM टाइम में 1-3 PM टाइम में ये जो प्लैनेट है ये डायरेक्ट होने वाला है. So during this retrograde phase, there was a lot of people had gone through lot of introspection in their lives. They were watching their life more carefully and the events happening in their life as well. Moreover, it is also that time was advised not to take any major decisions during the Jupiter retrograde timing. Moreover, people also faced a certain kind of setbacks in their career and financial goals, as well as things were not accomplished during that time also. So as this Jupiter will get direct this time, those people, the people who faced all kind of setbacks, they will also face luck factor, tremendous luck factor, because as Jupiter will move in direct motion and speed up generally, then the luck factor, Jupiter is associated with luck and wisdom in general, so their luck factor will speed up. Moreover, the goals they had thought to get accomplished during this Jupiter retrograde timing will also get accomplished as well when Jupiter will turn direct also. And mostly their financial goals, people having any kind of financial goals, will be successful. Their goals will be successful as well, because this time Jupiter is getting direct in the Vrish Rashi and also transiting through the Rashi, and Vrish is the second house of the Rashi chakra. As a result, it is associated with our stability, finances and everything dealing with money matters. So what are the main 3 Rashis which will get affected during this Jupiter direct transit until May, till Jupiter leaves this Vrish Rashi? So these 3 Rashis are Virgo or Kanya Rashi, then Sagittarius or Dhanu Rashi, Aquarius और कुंभ राशि. दिस 3, ये जो तीनों राशि है ये मैक्सिमम अफेक्टेड होंगे जब जुपिटर डायरेक्ट हो जाएगा, देवगुरु बृहस्पति डायरेक्ट होंगे, तब ये तीनों राशि अफेक्टेड होंगे. तो जो कन्या राशि है उन लोगों का जो क्रिएटिविटी जो चीज़ें हैं, क्रिएटिविटी रिलेटेड से जो चीज़ें हैं वो बहुत ही एक्सपेंड करेगा इस टाइम पर. और उन लोगों का अगर कुछ एजुकेशन रिलेटेड से कुछ इवेंट अगर डिले हो रहा है तो ये जो इवेंट्स है ये जुपिटर डायरेक्ट होने के बाद इट विल स्पीड अप एज वेल. मोर ओवर, इफ students are appearing for exams or any kind of competitions, then during this time it is highly advisable to appear, because you will also do good results in the exams if your dasha is also favorable as well. Now the second Rashi which will also get affected is Dhanu Rashi or Sagittarius sign. So for this Sagittarius sign, if somehow अगर आपका जो शादी या तो फिर कुछ रिलेशनशिप का ट्रबल चल रहा है तो इस टाइम वो सॉल्व हो जाएगा पूरी. और उसके सिवा आप लोग अगर बिजनेस में भी है तो आप लोगों का जो बिजनेस ट्रबल अगर चल रहा है वो भी अच्छी तरीके से सॉल्व हो जाएगा. मोर ओवर, आप लोग एक स्टेबल दूसरे लोगों के साथ रिलेशनशिप भी मेंटेन कर पाएंगे अगर आप लोगों का दशा बेनिफिशियल चल रहा है. और जो थर्ड राशि है जो अफेक्टेड होगा ये जुपिटर डायरेक्ट फेज से, वो है कुंभ राशि. उन लोगों का अगर इस रेट्रोग्रेड फेज में कुछ लक रिलेटेड फैक्टर अगर नहीं हो रहा था, अगर इट वाज स्टक, देन इट विल गेट सॉल्व्ड व्हेन जुपिटर will get direct. Moreover, there are higher possibilities of some kind of long journey or higher education related matter to get successful during this transit as well. So I came to an end with this video. Till that time, thank you.